Hello, and welcome back to Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, we're going to be discussing inserting pictures. And there are several different ways in which to insert pictures, and we're going to discuss a couple of them. We can't cover all of them, but we're going to discuss a couple of them. So in our presentation, I want to go to slide number 3. Now, one of the ways to do this is you change your slide layout. So under your Home tab, in your Slides ribbon, you click on Layout. And I want to do to content layout. When you do click to content, you see you get a placeholder. Within that placeholder, you have the option of where you insert the table, charts, smart art. What we want or video. What we want to do is we want to insert a picture. So you click here on your pictures. That's going to open up the pictures that you have stored on your device. And I want to do this one. So insert a picture. And there, now you have insert your picture. You have a picture that you have inserted from your device. Now, in this version of PowerPoint, which I've shared with you before, whenever you insert anything, you get automatically design ideas, and you can select from design ideas over here. But as long as you have the placeholder, you can do the same thing we've done before. Move your picture around. Here we can rotate it. Let's go undo, or you can just simply resize it if it's not the size that you want, or even if you want it a larger size. And let's do undo so I can keep it at its original size. So now another way in which you can do this is, let's go down to the next slide. The next slide, if you select your your text and you resize it, which we've done in the previous module, you can resize it here to a size that you want. And then you can also go up to your insert pictures from your pictures and your images on your images ribbon. We go to this device, and then we can click a picture from here. Let's go this one. Okay, insert. Now, and then you have your image inserted in this method. Again, you have the option to resize. You also have the option over to your left for the design ideas. If you want, if the design is not what you want, you can select or change your design idea. The same features where you can rotate and resize and move around. Another method I wish to share with you is I want to insert a blank slide. Now, if you go to the new slide, click the drop down and blank slide, it gives us a blank slide. Now, your blank slide, if you notice, it's just a blank slide. It has nowhere where you can add or insert any additional images or pictures. So here we go to the same thing. We go to our tabs, click on the insert, we click on pictures, we go to this device. And on this device, since we're doing computing education, I want to do this one. And click, and now you have you insert a picture here. And there are a couple of things to note. Once you put a picture into a slide, the picture actually sits on top of the slide. And sometimes your pictures are large. If you have a picture, especially the full size of your screen, let's make it the screen size. If you have a picture full size of your screen, in essence, what you're doing is you're putting a lot of data on your screen. So to decrease the, because what that does is make your file size large. So you have a couple of options, a couple of methods in which you can decrease the size of your file in a picture. One, you can compress the pictures. So you click here on your compress, and that will give you the picture that you want to compress, whether you want to do this one or every picture in your presentation. And then what that does is reduce the size of the pixels on your presentation, but yet does not change. It changes your file size, but not your pictures. So you click OK. As you notice, now that picture is compressed, but it has not changed. So another method in decreasing your file size is, let's close out design ideas. And then we want to go to design, click on your design tab, and then format background. Now to change the size of your file, let's delete this one first. You delete this picture. And then you go to where it says on your design tab, you go all the way over to where it says customize ribbon under format the background. You click on format background, and here you can change the different things that you want. The solid fill is where we were initially, where you can change your colors and gradient, and then your picture texture and everything. We want to go with picture texture. Now, on your picture texture field, you want to go to where it says a picture from the source. You click on your insert, and then you go to your browser, bring up the same dialog box, browse the file on the computer, and then we select the picture that the big picture that we want first. Click here, and now what this does is it gives your picture is the background itself instead of a picture. And let's remove background graphics. And now, so what we have here in close. Now what we have, instead of the picture itself, we have a background. And now we can add text or anything else that we want on top of the new background. So this saves space on your file. The last thing I want to do is just put a picture on our little title page. So we go here, go insert, pictures again, this device. And let's use the same picture, the student learning. Now here we want to resize. I want to resize this picture. Just move it up a little bit. In my placeholder, I can move my text down. Let's do this one first. Move the text. And then move the text. Now if you notice when I move the text on here, you see the little red dotted line, that is centering or lining up your text so that you so you can keep your text in line. I need an arrow over. I just arrow over. Now we have something just like nice and neat. I'm arrowing down to just center my picture more. And now we have a nice little picture of a student with our outreach ministry. That's all I have for now. As always, we say God bless you. Stay with us, and we'll continue moving forward in PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Have a great day.